Well guys, hey, this is Mitch. Hey, I guess you might know this car. It's sat for 20 years under a tree, and when we got it home, the AC actually worked. We charged it a little bit and it worked good. It worked great last year, so this will be the first test of this summer in 2015. So here we go. I'm gonna try to do this with a phone and by myself, so alright, we'll try this. Here we go. Alright, let me go right up. So she's working. Let's see. All right, let's see how cold she is. Come on, be cold, be cold. Ladies and gentlemen, she is cold as ice already. Man, I am so happy. We have AC for the summer. Woohoo! All right, guys. Let's see how your AC works. And this is rare. This car is so old, and AC has never been rebuilt, and it's working. Man, it's working good. So let's see your AC work like this thing does. All right, later, guys. She's running cool too. Yeah.